Hi viewers sa inyo lahat, magandang umaga. Ako po si Steve, my full name is Steve Hoong. Ako po ang may-ari ng video account itong respective website, youtube.com. By the way, I will be using two languages, English and Tagalog. I would like to inform to all viewers and to the management of YouTube that this is a paid promotion label. Paid promotion label because this is about Bangko Filipino related videos. Okay, sa lahat ng viewers, sa lahat ng nakikinig sa akin yung tungkol sa Bangko Filipino related videos, I would like to inform na wala po akong Bangko Filipino related video this coming April 17, 18, 19, 20. Take note of that. Wala po akong related videos sa Bangko Filipino sa darating na Holy Week. Ang Holy Week natin ay magsisimula Holy Thursday hanggang Easter Sunday. Ang date is magsisimula sa April 17, 18, 19, 20. Pero meron akong iiwang video in advance para during Holy Week pag-aralan nyo itong sasabihin kong ang bagong format ng BSP tungkol sa assets, liabilities at capital. Kung sakaling magre-reopen na for the third time na hindi napapalpak, mapapag-aralan natin habang maaga pa. Yun po ang aking habilin sa inyo. Then sa lahat ng officers ng as of this year 2025 ng Bangko Filipino sa Parañaque, Las Piñas, I think Caloocan, tsaka Quezon City, tsaka Muntinlupa, pag-aralan nyo itong mga sinabi kong format sa statement of assets, liabilities, and capital or owner's equity. Kasi doon na natin malalaman kung talaga mataas ang assets, bakit ang dineclare sa Bangko Pilipino that time is only 8.4. Samantala ang dineclare is, ang totoo is more than. So bakit pinadabas nila mababa? Kaya kataka-taka, di ba? So yun. By the way, ito ang sasabihin ko napaka-importante kasi ito ay may kinalaman sa Bangko Pilipino related. Unahin ko muna yung, di ba yung sa accounting, di ba? Ang formula is assets is equal to liabilities plus owner's equity o capital plus capital. Unahin ko muna ang capital kasi syempre hindi ka makaka-operate ng bangko kung wala kang capital. Ang format sa capital, ito, kumuha kayo ng papel at ballpen. Ang capital is capital stock subscribed, contributed surplus, pang-apat, capital paid in excess of par, duda ko baka shares. Then retained earnings, ang retained earnings is RETAINED, retained earnings. Tapos yung isa, reserve may ED, reserve accounts. Yan ang format sa capital. Okay, next is assets. Kung kayo na iba pang papel, assets. Cash and cash items. Next is DUE from BSP. Next is due from other central bank and bank, then minus sign net. So yan. Next is financial assets at fair value through other comprehensive income. Then minus sign net. Ulitin ko. Financial assets at fair value through other comprehensive income minus net. Next is debt securities at amortized cost net. Next is sales contract receivables. Then next is other assets minus net. Is net. Okay. Ito next format is liabilities. Una is of course common sa atin sa accounting subject, financial liabilities. Financial liabilities. Next, deposit liabilities. Deposit liabilities. Next is due to other banks. Due to other banks. Next is bills payable. Okay, itong bills payable, tatlong klase yan. Letter A, BSP. BSP. Letter B, interbank loans payable. Interbank loans payable. Letter C, other borrowings including deposit substitutes. Other borrowings including deposit substitutes. Then, next is accrued expenses. Accrued expenses. Next, other liabilities. Other liabilities. Okay, so ito muna for the meantime, pag-aralan natin muna itong format nila sa BSP na nire-require sa statement of assets, liabilities, and capital para sa reopening ng Bangko Pilipino. Okay, thank you so much for listening in this video. Good morning.